Whether you're a military enthusiast or just interested in tactical gear and gadgets, this video is sure to provide you with some valuable insight and a glimpse into the future of tactical gear. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we show you the 10 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Let's get started! This is the Condor Stowaway Chest Rig, designed for use in a variety of tactical situations. You can either use it as a standalone rig or use it in conjunction with Condor's vast line of plate carriers for added protection. The front admin pouch provides ample room to store tools and accessories, while the loop panel will enable you to apply patches or other hook-back detachment. The defining feature of this chest rig is its reversible clamshell design, which allows the rig to be folded into a compact pouch for easy storage. This military gear is made with a laser-cut molle panel and features a 4-point harness, removable QD buckles, and an inner zipper pocket and tethering webbing loops. Moreover, it is adjustable to fit waist sizes ranging from 30 to 48 inches. The Real Avid pistol tool is an essential tool for any gun owner. With its 19-in-1 design, it can handle a wide range of tasks at the range or in the field. Whether you need to break down, tweak, accessorize, or adjust your favorite handgun, this pistol tool has you covered. One of the standout features of this tool is its built-in Allen wrench for adjusting laser sights, while the 1911 government and officer bushing wrench, pin punch, and non-hardened stainless steel scraper allow for easy breakdown and cleaning of your pistols. In addition to these essential tools, it also has a 3-inch Tanto knife, a bit driver, fine-tooth metal file, tap hammer surface, and more. The compact design of this pistol tool makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go, and it can fit into most standard pistol mag pouches or in a pocket, making it a great addition to any range bag, EDC pack, or workbench. Now meet the Magpul Explorer 2.0 sunglasses, which are designed for those who demand both style and performance during tactical missions. Constructed of TR90NZZ thermoplastic material, the frames are lightweight yet rugged, providing maximum impact resistance and flexibility. The frames also have advanced protection and meet the Z87.1 ballistic impact protection standards. These lenses are made of unbreakable polycarbonate, the same material used in flight helmet visors, and provide maximum protection and clarity. The Explorer 2.0 sunglasses come with polarized and non-polarized lens options and are treated with an oleophobic coating to provide liquid and chemical protection, as well as added scratch resistance. The inside of the lenses also has an anti-reflective coating to minimize reflection. Plus, they are designed with padded low-profile temples that integrate smoothly under helmets and other headgear. Besides, the rubber nose and temple pads are also over-molded into the frames for durability and comfort. Introducing the SOG Seal Strike, a versatile and rugged fixed-blade knife designed for a wide range of outdoor and combat use. It has a 4.9-inch AUS-8 stainless steel full-tang blade with a black titanium nitride coating for added strength and durability. This blade is also hardened using cryogenic heat treatment, thereby increasing edge retention and hardness. Aside from that, the GRN stainless steel handle offers a great grip even in slippery situations, while the included deluxe sheath boasts a line cutter, ferrochromium fire starter, and sharpener, allowing you to sharpen, start fires, and cut lines, cords, or belts with ease. All things considered, you can trust the SOG Seal Strike to get you through any situation. Illuminate the path ahead with the GearLight S1000, a powerful and durable flashlight that is perfect for everyday use in outdoor activities. With its ability to easily light up an entire room in its narrow beam, it is a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of settings. Constructed from military-grade aluminum, this tactical flashlight is virtually indestructible and can withstand a 10-foot drop. It's also water-resistant, making it suitable for use in any weather conditions. The fast-action base button makes it easy to operate in the dark, Plus, the beam can be zoomed in or out, allowing for pinpoint precision and wide-open illumination. Besides, the S1000 is compact and easy to store as well. It can easily fit in your pocket, backpack, or purse, making it a convenient tool to have on hand at all times. Whether you're setting up a camp or need an emergency light, the GearLight S1000 is a reliable and durable option. From breaching operations to excavation, obstacle removal, and extraction, the SOG FO6TN Tactical Tomahawk is a versatile tool designed for all such applications. This Tomahawk features a 420 stainless steel head with a hard case coating, which provides a tough and durable surface that can withstand heavy use and maintain its edge. There's even a flat edge for hammering and a spike for chipping. The head is mountable to a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle with heavy-duty bolts and a steel ferrule for stability. It has an overall length of 15.75 inches and weighs 24 ounces. Furthermore, it comes with a nylon sheath that snaps securely into the Tomahawk, providing easy and safe storage and transport. The sheath also includes a belt loop that fits 1.5-inch belts, making it easy to carry and provide quick access when you need it. Here's the Salomon XA Forces Tactical Boot, which is designed for military personnel, law enforcement, professionals, and others who require reliable footwear that's perfect for all conditions. Built on the foundation of Salomon's iconic XA Pro 3D, the XA Forces Tactical Boot is more durable in every way, with a beefier outsole that provides excellent traction on wet or smooth surfaces. The boot has a lightweight construction, making it easy to move quickly and respond to any situation. It features a ContraGrip FD outsole with perforated grooves that improves grip on wet and slippery surfaces, while the Energy Cell midsole with high-performance EVA foam provides great shock absorption. In addition to its technical features, the boot also boasts a comfortable fit with the Sense of Fit system, which offers a secure and snug fit all around the foot. Overall, the Salomon XA Forces Tactical Boot is a reliable choice made for those who need to perform their best in critical situations. The 511 Escape Rescue Tool is a multi-purpose tool designed for emergency situations. It features a folding seatbelt cutter with a screwdriver tip and thumb stud opener for quick and easy rescue operation. The spring-loaded tungsten carbon tip window breaker allows for expedited auto extractions, making it an essential tool for emergency responders. The tool features die-cut opening along with the handle for reduced weight and a belt clip for easy attachment. The stainless steel handle and blade provide durability and strength, while the compact size makes it easy to store and carry, ensuring that it is always within reach when you need it most. This rescue tool's durable construction and versatile features makes it a must-have for anyone who wants to be prepared for life's unexpected emergencies. Now, introducing the Atwood Tactical Rope Dispenser, or TRD for short. This gear is for anyone who needs a strong and dependable rope on the go. The TRD is designed to dispense paracord without knots or tangles, making it easy to use and store. There's a built-in cutting blade that allows you to cut the rope to the desired length and store the rest. It comes with a heavy-duty belt clip that can be worn on the hip for easy one-handed use. The versatile and durable paracord has a minimum breaking strength of 550 pounds. Additionally, the inner cores of the cord can be pulled out and used separately, giving you even more cord to work with. The TRD is designed for military purposes, but can be used by anyone who needs a cord in their line of work, such as law enforcement, firefighters, hikers, construction workers, and more. To conclude our list, here's the SOG Flint Survival and Defense Tool. It features a built-in fire starter, steel wool tender compartment, carbide-tipped glass breaker, and safety whistle, providing you with a variety of tools to help you survive in the wilderness or defend yourself in case of danger. The durable anodized aluminum construction ensures that it'll withstand heavy use and keep you prepared for any situation. Other than that, this tool has a compact size and a lightweight design, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. You can either attach it to a lanyard, put it in your pocket, or inside your pack. With 4 essential tools, the SOG Flint is a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and functional survival and defense tool. So that was our second video of the 10 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.